In a quiet park where morning light streamed through green leaves, a story of quiet desperation unfolded, one that most people simply walked past. There, on a wooden bench, sat a veteran. His jacket was worn, his boots tired, and all his worldly belongings were crammed into a small backpack. Beside him, his young child slept, unaware of the world's indifference. Joggers pounded the pavement, their focus fixed ahead. Office workers, rushing to their day, cast a quick glance and then looked away. They were all too busy to notice the man who had once served his country, now invisible in plain sight. He watched other families laugh and play, his stomach growling with a hunger he refused to let show. Memories of his service, of discipline and honor, felt like a lifetime ago, a promise made to a society that now seemed to have forgotten him. Then, a small, furry creature broke the spell of neglect. A stray dog, cautious but curious, approached him. The veteran's tired face softened into a gentle smile. He reached into his backpack and pulled out his only meal for the day, a simple sandwich. Without a second thought, he broke it in half and offered a piece to his new friend. The dog, sensing the kindness, wagged its tail and gratefully accepted the food. The man's young child stirred, waking up to the gentle scene. The father pulled him close, whispering words of reassurance. This simple, profound act of generosity didn't go entirely unnoticed. From a distance, a woman saw it all. She saw the man who had nothing give away half of what little he had. Moved to tears, she discreetly recorded the moment on her phone. She didn't know who he was, but she knew what she was seeing was pure, unfiltered kindness. She uploaded the short video with a simple caption, sharing the quiet moment with the world. What happened next was something no one could have predicted. Hours later, the video started spreading like wildfire. It wasn't loud or dramatic, but it struck a chord deep within millions of people. Comments poured in, a torrent of emotion and self-reflection. "How could we just walk by?" one person wrote. "This man is a hero in more ways than one," said another. The video reached veterans groups, who immediately recognized one of their own in need. Local news stations contacted the woman who posted it, eager to find the man in the park. By the next morning, the quiet park was filled with reporters and concerned citizens. The veteran was stunned, completely overwhelmed by the sudden attention. He had never sought recognition. He had simply acted from his heart. The response was immediate and powerful. Donations began to flood in. People arrived with food, warm clothes, and toys for his child. The stray dog, now a symbol of the story, happily returned to his side, as if it knew it belonged there. Amid the crowd, the veteran's child, no longer shadowed by worry, laughed freely. Offers of real, life-changing help followed. A local cafe owner offered him a steady job. A housing nonprofit stepped forward with the promise of a safe place to live. A national veteran organization pledged their full support, ensuring he would never feel forgotten again. Standing a little taller, his dignity restored, the father humbly thanked everyone. He told them it wasn't the food or the money that saved him, but the kindness. It was the feeling of being seen, of being valued. His powerful words brought tears to the eyes of people watching around the world. The story became a movement. The hashtag #SmallKindnessMatters trended globally. People shared their own stories of helping others and vowed to be more aware of those struggling in their own communities. The video wasn't just a viral moment, it was a wake-up call. Today, the veteran and his son have a stable home. The child is enrolled in school, and their faithful dog is officially part of the family. The fear in their eyes has been replaced with smiles of hope. This man, who once felt invisible, now stands as a symbol of resilience and the incredible power of a single, selfless act. His journey reminds us that compassion is contagious and that even the smallest gesture can ripple outwards, changing lives in ways we can't even imagine. It shows that in a world that often rushes past, stopping to share a little of what you have can restore not just one person's life, but our collective faith in humanity. Thank you for watching. If this story touched your heart, please like and share it to help spread the message. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories that prove kindness can truly change the world.